Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not working. Touchscreen not working can be a serious issue, but before you decide to go to the service, try these 3 steps. In the beginning, with the touchscreen not working, you can force restart your smartphone by pressing and holding power button and volume up button for more than 10 seconds. Now, the screen should start working. If it's still not working, check your screen protector. Maybe the screen protector is not suitable for the screen type of your smartphone. Remove the screen protector, clean the screen and check if the screen is working. If the screen still doesn't work, there is one last thing we can check. Let me start the smartphone and I will show you. Okay, the smartphone has started. Now what we want to do is press and hold power button and volume up button to turn off your smartphone. I'll just press restart. And now again press and hold power button and volume up button until you go to fastboot or recovery mode. Release the buttons when you see Android. And we should enter recovery mode. Now, using volume up, volume down button, enter safe mode. Thanks to safe mode, the system will start without any third-party apps installed, thanks to which you can check if the screen not working is the issue of the system or is the issue of the hardware. If after the turning on, screen is still not working, you should consider going to specialist service. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.